Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and drivers are updated, and that you're signed in with an administrator account. Once done, open Settings and go to Network and Internet right away. Click Mobile Hotspot and choose which connection to share, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Set a clear network name, SSID, and a strong password in the fields. This gets you into the configuration screen, so you can control band and power settings next. Now you configure the hotspot itself. Toggle Mobile Hotspot on and pick the connection you want to share. Choose the network band. Use 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster throughput when nearby devices support it. Set the maximum number of allowed devices and confirm the generated or custom SSID and password. Make sure to review the network properties so you know the IP range and gateway. This helps when assigning devices or setting static IPs later. Once set, finish by connecting one device to test the hotspot. Enter the SSID and password, then verify internet access in the client device's browser. If sharing is blocked, make sure the network profile on the host is set to private and review Windows firewall rules so hotspot traffic isn't intercepted. If you see no internet, restart the Wi-Fi adapter or use the built-in network troubleshooter. Also update or reinstall the adapter driver. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.